Hi all, and welcome back to Cook with Kim. If this is your first time, then please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button to be notified once we upload a new video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to cook frozen spinach, which is healthy and tasty. I'll be using this frozen spinach from Iceland. I personally find it to be the best the supermarket can offer at the moment. So defrost the spinach a little bit and cut in small pieces while it's still a little bit frozen. This makes it easy and manageable to cut. Wash and cut the rest of the vegetable ready to be used. It's a good idea to cut the cabbage in small pieces like this. This will make it easy to blend in with the spinach. Put a pan on a low to medium fire. I'm using a large frying pan, but you can use any cooking pan. Add oil, roughly 4 to 5 tablespoons. Once the oil starts to get ready, add the onion and stir it. Let this start to fry slowly for about a minute, and then add the cabbage. Mix it together, stir fry it for a couple of minutes to get it a little bit soft before adding the rest of the vegetables. Okay, so now we're going to start to add the rest of the vegetable. So starting with the green pepper, I've added the pepper in. I'm going to stir it in nicely so it starts to get soft. I'm going to add the spinach now. In goes the spinach. Then I'm going to add the tomato and mix it all in well. As I like my eggplant slightly cooked, I'm going to leave this aside for now, so I'll be adding this in a few minutes, but you can add all your vegetable now and cover it to steam cook for 10 minutes. The vegetables cooking quite well. As you can see, it's starting to get soft. Now add the flavoring and add the eggplant if this is still waiting to be added. You don't need to add any water during cooking as the spinach releases its own water, but you can use a bit of water if needed. Stir fry the vegetable as it cooks for a few minutes. Then cover the pan to cook for roughly another 10 minutes. Or until the vegetables are as soft as desired. The spinach is now ready and it's cooked well enough to keep its greeny color. That's looking really good. Look at that. Looks very nice. So our spinach is ready to serve. Serve with your favorite side dish. Enjoy and bon appetit.